Welcome to the channel Naturally Care and Cure. When it comes to nutrition, we see people talking about fruits, vegetables, good carbs, good fats, but not much about protein. However, protein is a vital component of human nutrition, and in fact, it's the one you cannot get away with. A lot of people don't seem to realize this fact. Let's dive in to find out more. Before we get into the main topic, first let's cover few basic points on nutrition. Though we eat so many different types of food, useful nutrients those foods contain are divided into 6 types. Among them, carbohydrate, protein, fat and water are called macronutrients because they are required in large quantity, while vitamins and minerals are called micronutrients because they are required in small quantity. Here we are focusing on macronutrients. The main function of carbohydrate is to provide energy to a body. Carbohydrate is also called carbs in short. The main function of protein is to provide building materials to a body. Fats also provide energy, they also have other important roles in a human body. So 3 macronutrients found in food are. Now let's discuss what happens if we are to take only one macronutrients, say, just carbohydrate, or just fats, or just protein. First, what happens if you don't take foods containing carbohydrate at all? Our body is in a constant need of energy. 2 main sources of energy are glucose and ketone. Carbohydrate is broken down into glucose, which our body uses as energy source. So if we don't eat any carbohydrate, the question is, where's the body going to get energy from? If you don't take any carbohydrate, body can convert fat and protein into glucose. In fact, this process is called gluconeogenesis. So yes, it is theoretically possible to avoid foods containing carbohydrate altogether, or you can go zero carbs. On the other hand, if you take too much carbohydrate, body will store excess carbohydrate as fats. Second, what happens if you don't take fats at all? The main role of fats is to provide energy and support different bodily functions. Fats are converted to glucose and ketone, which our body uses as energy. So the question is, if we don't take any fats, where's the body going to get energy from? As we discussed above, even if we don't take fats, body uses carbohydrate to get required energy. One important point though, as we just said, fats also support different bodily functions. For that our body needs different types of fats. Even if we don't take any fats at all, our body can convert carbohydrate into different types of fats. However, 2 types of fats body cannot convert carbohydrate into are omega-3 and 6. Hence, other than for omega-3 and 6, you can avoid fats altogether. Finally, let's discuss third case, what happens if you don't take protein at all? Our body is in a constant state of growth and repair. Nail, hair, skin, muscle, blood, enzyme, hormone, all are constantly being repaired or replaced with newer ones. Amino acids are required for growth and repair. Protein in foods we eat are broken down into amino acids. So the question is, if you don't take protein, where's the body going to get amino acids from? Carbohydrate cannot be broken down into amino acids. Fats also cannot be broken down into amino acids. Therefore, amino acids can only come from protein, and hence you cannot avoid foods containing proteins altogether. This is the point people miss. Energy requirement can be fulfilled from many sources, carbohydrate, fats or protein, but growth and repair requirement can be only fulfilled from protein. So you can go zero carb or zero fats, but not zero protein. We see people talking about fruits, vegetables, good carbs, good fats, but the thing is, protein is the one our body cannot get away with. Finally, let's make it clear we are not advocating you take only carbohydrate, or only fats, or only protein. That would be neither practical nor healthy in the long run. Ideally, your diet should contain all of them. The 2015 to 2020 Dietary Guideline for Americans recommends that carbohydrates comprise 45 to 65% of calories, fat 25 to 35% of calories, and protein 10 to 30% of calories. In this video, we haven't discussed what is protein, why is it required, what are its dietary sources, and how much do you need. We have made separate videos on this topic. The links are in the description, please do check them. Also, some fine details have been left out in this video to make it short and easy to comprehend. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe the channel.